In the sketch environment, there are two different kind of constraints. First is relations, and second is dimensions. In this video tutorial we will explain the relations in sketch environment of SOLIDWORKS software. The relations are geometric constraints. Generally the sketches that drawn are float and not fixed. Draw a line in the graphic area and then change the start point coordinate to x is +10, y is +10, and then change the end point to x is +50, y is +50. But the line and its points are float. Drag the points to the various position. As you see, the line and points are movable. As a general rule, remember, all entities in your sketch must be fixed by the constraints, relations or dimensions. And its color must be the black. Remember this rule and try to do it. Okay, that's very good. Generally in the sketch environment, there are four elements. The first is point. The next is line, straight. And the next is arc, such as circles, arcs, ellipse, fillets and etc. And the last is splines. Okay. To access or edit the relations, click on these two commands. But by choose the elements that said before. In the left area, all the possible relations for those elements are appeared. Now, we will check the relations between points and the other elements. Point and line. Point and arc or spline. The first is point and line. Select the point on the graphic area. Point can be a point command, or can be end point of a line, or can be center point of a circle, and etc. Select the point, end point of a line, and a line. Hold the control button of keyboard to do it. As you see, the relation between a point and line are appeared. The first relation is midpoint. The point moved and placed on the middle of line and fixed there. If you drag each of lines, under any circumstances point placed on the middle of the line and can't move from there. Now this point is relationed or constrained. The next relation between point and line is coincident. As you've seen, the point and line are coincident. Last one is fix. Point and line is our positions are fixed. Okay. That's very good. Now select a point and the other points. For example, end point of the line and the center point of a circle. The relations will appear. The first is horizontal. As you see, 2 points are placed in a horizontal direction. The second is vertical. As you see, 2 points are placed in a vertical direction. The next is fix relation. That fixed 2 points in their positions. And the last one is merge. That coincident the 2 point and place them put together. Okay, that's very good. Try it this relations more and more. And then select the point and circle. The relations are appeared. The first relation is concentric. The point and the center point of the circle are coincident together. Then select the coincident relation. The point and circle are coincident. Okay, that's good. Now select the point and the arc line. The added relation is midpoint. Choose it and see the changes. OK. Click on the point and then select the spline. The relations are repetitious. OK, very good. The point relations are finished. Try it more and more. The next is line. Click on a single line to appear its relations. The first is horizontal. To make the line horizontal. OK. The next is vertical. To make the line vertical. Very good. And the last one is fix relation. To make fix the line. Then click on the line and then click on the point later. These relations are repetitious and we explained early. OK. Very good. Then click on the two lines on the graphic area to appear its relations. The first relation is horizontal. Make all lines that you selected are horizontal. And the vertical relation as the same way. You can try it with the more lines. OK, that's good. The next relation between two lines are collinear. Run it and see the changes to the selected lines. OK. Very good. The next relation between the two lines are perpendicular. Run it and see the changes to the selected lines. OK, that's very good. The next relation between the two lines are parallel. Run it and see the changes to the selected lines. OK. It's very good. The next relation between the two lines are equal. First, change the length of two or more lines to one another. Then, by run this relation, the length of selected lines are equaled. Run it and see the changes to the selected lines. OK, that's very good. OK. Then click on the line and then click on the circle to appear its relations. The first relation is tangent. Run it to see the changes of line position. The line will tangent to the circle. OK. It's good. The next relation is equal curve length. Run it to see the changes. As you see, perimeter of the circle value changed as far as the curve length of circle is equal to the length of line. OK. Very good. Now click on the line and then click on the arc. The performance of its relations is exactly like previous mode. You can try it more and more. Now, click on the line and then click on the spline. The relations will appear. Run the perpendicular relation to see the changes between them. OK. That's very good. The line relations so completed. The only remaining mode that the arc relations together. First delete the unnecessary entities. And added a circle and ellipse to the sketches. The first. Click on the two circles and choose them. The respective relations are appeared. The first is choroidal. Run this relation and see the changes to the entities. This relation simultaneous concentric the two circles and also equal their radius value. OK. The next relation is tangent. Run this relation and see the changes to the entities. OK. That's good. The next is concentric. First change the diameter value of two circles and run this relation and see the changes to the entities. See the difference between this relation and the choroidal relation. OK. The next relation is equal. Run this relation and see the changes to the entities. See the difference between this relation and the choroidal relation. OK. And the last one is equal curve length. This relation for two circles are similar act to equal relation. OK, very good. Then click on the circle entity and the arc in the graphic area. See the relations that appears on the left side? The most relations are repetitious. Only we will explain the equal curve radius for this mode. Run this relation and see the difference with the same one previously. OK. Very good. Then click and choose the circle and spline. All relations are repetitious. Try it more and more. Then click and choose the circle and ellipse. All relations are repetitious again. Also, choose the arc and the spline. In other items also, all the relations are repetitious. OK. That's very good. Checked out the different moods from geometrical relations in this video tutorial.